Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Got a lot to do. So much to do. Look at this backyard. Look at this fountain. Horrible. Weeds are everywhere. Man, this is bad. It's like I neglected my backyard. I want to talk about that lilac in a minute. But look at this, guys. Despicable. AC unit. Terrible. That rose bush doesn't look bad. Got the in-ground solar lights there. Gonna figure out which ones I'm gonna keep. That a spider web? Jesus Christ. Man, my God, let's go back here. Well, this is a good sign. Lilies, lilacs look healthy, good amount of sun, water. This looks good. You guys know I can't do this job without my bucket. Got all my tools, even a flashlight. Yes, a flashlight. You want to be as prepared as you possibly can be. All right, here's the lilac I want to talk about. All right, it was over there. Half of it would get sun. Okay, the other half didn't. You can guess. I actually put it over there, and this side, the left side, start growing. So this is actually a beautiful accident. Best thing to do now is just pull some weeds. I hate when my backyard looks like a jungle. I tend to neglect it because I got so much going on in the front, and then I'm working extra hard and I'm wearing myself out. You notice the mask? Pollen is killing me. You know, once you remove the weeds, you can see the potential in your spaces and envision what you're going to do moving forward. I'm just going to clean this stuff up. That's all. Nothing special. Just get my shears, do some trimming, do something. This is embarrassing. Really like lilies, but my issue with them is you'll get petals for like 2 weeks, and then after that, they're done. You guys know I use a water hose to clean out my AC unit. I don't pay anybody to do my yard work. You know that. Might as well get the water hose to rinse off the house. And yes, even this side too. Now we're talking. This needs to be free of pollen so that it can function properly. I usually give the fountain a good rinse, and then I add fresh water. I've been telling you guys for 2 years I'm going to replace this thing. I just can't part with it. I like it so much. It looks good, doesn't it? Real nice. Okay, this might have been overkill, but I got my Stanley 24-inch, and I leveled my fountain. So what? Don't crucify me for it. If you decide to cut down your rose bushes like I do, get some long pruners. Those thorns will eat you alive. I want to point something out again. Now, you see the left side. You see that rose bush? Let's come over here. You see this rose bush. Looks great, healthy, but why is this one so much bigger than the one on the left? I cannot understand it for the life of me. This is getting a little frustrating, even over here. Now, this Holy Grail hibiscus and that one over there, why are they so much different? Beginners, amateurs, someone like me. Don't be scared to cut down your plants, your rose bushes. It'll help them in the long run. I can almost guarantee it. You know what? I hope another branch or stem, whatever you call it, grows out so it'll be evenly matched with the one on the right. Man, that looks good over there. Do you remember when I told you that last year's content was good? What I did was good, but not great. This is what I'm talking about. I can do so much better. So the marble chips will be removed. I'll change the design. Really like the rose bushes, though. All right, I pulled some weeds, put them in a pile. I'll get that up soon. That hydrangea looks great. It's going to grow. It's going to be beautiful. This is a little lime hydrangea. That's a big one, much bigger, regular one. And that's a little lime hydrangea, too. They do well. This super blue lavender smells great. All right, guys, I plan on cutting the backyard, but it's too much sun. It's too hot. I have other stuff I have to do. Oh, yeah, I'm at Menards. Love Menards. You guys know that. Need some new water hoses, and this is where I go to get them. Got what I needed. You know what? I saw some hose nozzles and said, why not? Might as well pick them up. Let's get in line, pay for this stuff, and go back home. Made it home safe. No political commentary. No political commentary. Got the Power Smart out. Sun has gone down. No pollen. Let's do it. If you're thinking about getting a lawnmower, get one that is self-propelled. This is great. Now that I'm finished, I'll dump the grass inside of this big Menards lawn bag. I just realized I had on the wrong hat while I was doing this. I have to go back inside and get the right one. I sweat a lot and it gets hot out here, so there's no point in me messing up one of my good hats. Now things are back to normal. Did you notice my Works trimmer edger? Gets the job done. AC unit is clean. Whole lot better. That pollen is coming back fast, so I can't stand that. I don't want to say it. Might have some kids watching. Can't stand it though. This looks presentable. No longer ashamed. You guys know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.